Here is Humans Anonymous app. So here now you can select from custom profile where you just need to upgrade, and then you just have some free trial, and actually it's not that expensive option. So you can try that, or you can just try with the free option, but then there are some limitations, and you can just proceed to create an account. Yeah, so that's it basically, and then you just enter your name. That's basically the idea.
Welcome to Humans Anonymous.
Where
Thank you for
basically
being one
here
of our
now
early
you can just
members.
get started, join a
Humans
community to
Anonymous
share
is a
your
safe
struggles,
place
get
to share
advice,
your
and support
struggles,
each
get
other. Welcome to Human Anonymous. Yeah, this app is currently going viral on TikTok, and it's getting some good traction, especially among teenagers. I'm just looking here through the settings. And here's like you set up your member name. If you want to add some custom avatars, add a status, make your profile pop, all of the things you will need to upgrade. And then basically there is 24/7 community chat. There are all the different types of communities. And then you can just go here. You need to join a meeting, and basically this is like like audio chat where you just join the meeting, and then you can just openly but anonymously talk about like issues, and that will help you out sometimes a lot. That can help you out to relieve some of your struggles. And then if you attend 30 meetings, you can unlock this 24/7 community chat. So then there is like a schedule, meetings open every day. So that's basically the idea in the top right. And then, so
Thanks
here's
for joining Humans
how
Anonymous.
it looks like. Then you can see some community guidelines.
Okay, I don't know if this has.
And then you can just join the meeting like that. So yeah, like you can see daily streaks, total minutes listening, total shares, total meetings. This is basically like Clubhouse, like audio app, but for sharing the mental struggles and all of that. So that's basically the idea of the app. So that's it. Super easy to use, kind of minimalistic. I don't know if it's available on Android, but that's what it is.